Hello everyone, welcome back to Cosmos Airdrop. Today I bring to you the Rainbow. Now this is a cryptocurrency wallet that is making a way in the cryptocurrency space, and this wallet got you with an airdrop that is happening right now. All you need to do is to follow this video. Make sure you don't skip any part of it, because each part of this video contains a vital information that you are going to need through your journey in this Rainbow cryptocurrency platform. Now this Rainbow is a user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet that supports a wide range of blockchain activities, including the managing of your multi-wallet, even trading an NFT, and performing different taxes across the different chains. Before I continue, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe into our YouTube channel for you to be getting updates like this day to day, and don't forget to go ahead and click on all the notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video. Join us right there on our Telegram and on Twitter for you to stay tuned right here in Cosmos Airdrop. Don't forget that we are open to answer any question that you have right away. So let's match into this Rainbow Airdrop and this platform, and let's talk about how it is being done. You can use your mobile device, which is an Android and OS, or you can use your laptop. Right here I'm using the laptop, and I'm going to show you the step on how you can do it on the laptop. You're going to get the link of this Rainbow right there on the description of this video and right there on the Telegram group. So click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to be proceeding to opening it up, and you're going to choose whether you are going to create a wallet or you're going to use an old wallet. If this is your first time seeing this platform, you're going to create a wallet. So you're going to go through this simple illustrations and warnings right here. Once you are done reading this, go ahead and click on reveal your secret phrase. So go ahead and copy this your secret phrase, save it so that you can be able to retrieve it whenever your wallet or your device get lost. So once that is done, you're going to proceed and create your password. Make sure that your password contains some letters, some short letters and numbers and symbol for it to be safe, so it will be hard for anyone to be able to crack it out. So once your password is done and set up, go ahead and confirm your password and then click on set password. So when your password is done, you're going to go ahead and click these keys as once. You're going to click the shift, the alternative key, and R. You're going to click these triple keys at once. So what you're going to do is to go ahead on your system, click shift, alt, and R at the same time. So once you do that, your wallet will be open and ready. Let me explain the simple stuff that you need to know about this airdrop. Now this Rainbow is running a points program where users can earn free points for swapping and using the wallet. They're also offering 5x points for using their in-app browser. But here is the interesting part of it. They have already confirmed this airdrop, and it is coming up this year. So they are giving out the RNBW token, and this is scheduled in this Q4 in 2025. Now this is during this September, October, November, and December. That is the Q4 2025, and this is happening right away. Now let me just take you through the simple processes and how you can claim this your airdrop. So for you to earn this token and maximize your airdrop reward, you have to focus on swapping. Get a token inside this app. Start your swapping. You can get a token from the Bybit, from the BitGet, from your Trust Wallet, whatever you're using. Copy it, send it right here, and make sure that your token is being confirmed in the exact address, so you can be able to earn some token immediately after you get your coins right here. You can also earn more coin by bridging. You can also earn a lot of coin by using this wallet regularly. Make sure that you are using the in-app browser. You are going to select whether you're using the Chrome or other browsers. Just make sure that you're using one exact browser so that you won't have multiple wallets in different browsers. And also, referring friends helps you earn a lot of points, and the more you earn a lot of points, the more you are eligible for this airdrop. And don't forget, I'm going to show you how to mint an NFT. Now let's talk about this airdrop. Now to get this airdrop, you're going to click to this page that looks like this, which shows on the reward. Now this reward shows you the points that you have right here. So what you're going to do is for you to open up this point and take the amount of token that you are able to earn whenever you have activated this token. First of all, you're going to fund it like they told me right here. So once your wallet is ready, you're going to click on get started. to see the amount of token that you have instantly. And you can also click on the use referral code. Now if you're able to copy your referral code and share it to more persons, so if you're able to share your referral code to more persons, you're going to be earning a lot of points. So for you to check the points that you have, you're going to insert your referral code and click on get started. You're going to check out your activities right here in this wallet, which is the Rainbow wallet, and give you some feedback. So that is how this wallet works. Don't forget, it is simple for you to earn these points. Bridging your token, swapping your tokens, and using this wallet regularly helps you earn more points. And also sharing your referral link to your friends. So if you want to fund your wallet directly without this access, simply click on the fund my wallet right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. So you're going to select whether you're going to use the Coinbase or the MoonPay. So if you're using the Coinbase, you're going to click on it, select your token. It happens as other exchanges does. So you're going to get to know how Coinbase does for you to be able to withdraw or get a token inside it. But like I said, you can use any exchange that you want. So another simple way for you to earn more points right here is through NFT. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to mint your NFT. Go click on the three buttons right here, and so click on the rainbow profile and it will take you to a page that looks like this. Now this is the rainbow NFT page. Now this shows you the amount of NFT that you have right here. I'll be dropping more updates here on YouTube and on Telegram if this platform releases any NFT at all. So if you want to know and get the whole activities right here, click on this point and click on view on Ethereum. Now this will show you every actions that you are performing right here in your wallet. If you have been given any airdrop to claim, it will be all visible right here. So that is Rainbow Airdrop in a nutshell, and it's innovative wallet, and I know that this is a generous airdrop, so definitely go ahead, check it out. It's worth watching out. Thank you for watching this video.